This is a product. The company that created this product expects it to boost the bottom line because it's new, exciting, and it has a lot of potential. Whether or not this happens is subject to many factors. Research shows that about half the products that go to market meet business objectives. The other half don't. Not exactly a sure bet. For businesses that really excel, though, the benefits can be exponential, with top companies outperforming bottom companies by more than 100%. Basically, getting it right means much greater returns. Considering the 50-50 success-failure rate, it's not all that surprising that many companies that develop new products are not actually product developers. A counterintuitive notion, to be sure, but there's a key distinction, and that is that it's wholly possible to be an incubator for novel product ideas, but not actually count the underlying product development process as a core competency. And the implication of this is significant. Truly understanding and addressing the steps of the product development process is a great precursor to market success, and it can be boiled down to 6 key areas. So let's have a look. Market analysis. Have you positioned your product in the right space? Don't make the "if you build it they will come" mistake. Knowing where and how to position your product is critical. Only once the proper market space has been identified should you build it. Then they'll come. Digital benchmarking. Does your product stand up to the competition? Digital benchmarking provides an electronic analysis of everything from physical attribute comparisons and market analysis to performance, features and bill of materials comparisons, all at less expense than a true physical teardown. Physical teardown. Do you have the smartest solutions? We've talked about the efficiencies of digital benchmarking, but sometimes a closer look is called for, and that's exactly what you get with a physical teardown. An analysis from the whole to the components, the full body to the nuts and bolts. In essence, does the sum of your product's parts stack up to the competition's? Perceived quality. Will your product be a hit? Equal parts arts and science. This is about the optimal look, feel, size, shape, weight, you name it, the entire sensory experience of a product and how the customer perceives it. Getting it right means harmonizing design, styling and engineering to create something that's all-round beautiful in the eye of the customer. Test and validation. Will your product last in the market? While quality can sometimes be a perception issue, product failure is almost always a physical problem. Failed products are closely linked with lower future sales, making test and validation a key component of long-term commercial success. Quality assurance. Has your product met your customers' expectations? So you didn't nail it on the launch. It's not over. Even after a product is sent to market, quality assurance is useful for fixing real and perceived problems through process improvements, best practices and rigorous checkpointing. In the aggregate, taking something new to market may be a 50-50 proposition, but success is what happens when preparation meets opportunity, and adequately answering these questions leaves a company much better positioned for product wins. One way of looking at this regimented approach is, how much does it cost? But the better question is, how much does it cost to fail? Better Solutions by Tata Technologies.